How to create and apply EQ presets in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I added some audio to my timeline and I'm in the Fairlight page. Open up the mixer panel. Double-click on the EQ for track 1. In the opened window, use one of the presets and change the handles based on your needs. Once you're happy with it, maybe you want to use it for some other audio. To do that, we must create a preset from it. Just click on this plus button and click Create New. Set a name for it and click OK. Now close this window. Now let's say I want to apply this EQ preset to track 2. One way is to double-click on the preset for the audio too. In the opened window, from the drop-down, select the preset that you created. But let's undo the changes and use another way. From the Fairlight menu, click on Presets Library. Here select the equalizer presets, and then select the preset that we created. We want to apply it to track 2, so select track 2 and click Apply. And now the EQ preset is applied to track 2. To delete a preset, just select it and click on the Delete key. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.